A nice bottle of wine is a work of art. Serve it with delight wherever you go with our beautiful insulated wine set. Its double wall insulation keeps your wine at the perfect temperature for 24 hours. Now, no matter the weather, when you head to a great day at the beach, spend a relaxing day in your boat, or venture to a festive picnic with friends, bring along a perfectly chilled Chardonnay or a nice room temperature Cabernet. The wine stays at just the right temperature when you and your guests enjoy it from matching insulated glasses. And the glasses come with convenient covers that keep your wine free of insects and debris. Our eco-friendly 750ml wine bottle and the 16-ounce matching glasses are made with safe and shatterproof double-walled stainless steel for durability and long-lasting beauty. The Fine Dine wine set will be a wonderful accessory in your next outing or make a treasured gift for your wine enthusiast friends. If you are looking for an insulated wine set, you just found it.